नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद आष्टोत्तर श्री श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत श्रवण भट्टी महाराज एवं नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद आष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत महाराज जी और चरण कमल में अनंत कोटि साष्टांग दंडवत से अर्पण करता हूँ। तत्पश्चात नित्यलीला प्रविष्टम विष्णुपाद आष्टोत्तर श्रीमान भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी महाराज एवं सपूज्य चरण माधव महाराज, नासिक महाराज एवं उपस्थित समस्त वैष्णव वृंद, माता वृंद सभी के चरण कमलों में मेरा धन्यवाद प्रणाम। आज प्रातः काल से
So from since morning we are discussing about the glories of the Tirth Maharaj.
महाराज जी अभ्यस्त जीवन चरितावली तथापि उनकी अनेकों गुणावली उपदेश आदि जीवन की आचार प्रचार।
So we have heard about the characteristic of Bhaktivedanta Srila Tirth Maharaj and his biography. So everybody told about him so much. Vaishnavir Guruman Karle Jivin Gurgan. So when somebody describe about the Vaishnav, so he will be liberated from the Maya. Just now our Nandanandan Prabhu told so many beautiful things, how beautiful he has given the examples. He has told, I am the Kagbhushundi of this mutt. What is Kagbhushundi actually? Why he told him himself? Why he compared himself Kagbhushundi? So who is Kagbhushundi? Oh, Kagbhushundi is the one who described all the Ram Charit Leela. He knew everything. So Nandanandan Prabhu, he came earlier, first in the mud, and after that many people came. Then Tirth Maharaj also came. And how they have the tendency of service. What is the meaning of staying in the mud? Tendency of service. If somebody is staying in the mud and not serving, so it is no use to live in mud, because we never serve our parents and we have come here, and if we didn't serve the Bhagwan here also, so what the gati we will get? So if we were staying at home and we were serving our parents and the people, so it's good. But after staying in the mud, we are not serving here Vaishnav, Hari Guru Vaishnav. So our condition is like neither from the hor nor from the mud. So that's why this is the duty of the Mathvasi. They have to surrender their life for the service. Just like we have heard from the mouth of our Gurudev, just like Aranya, Arohi and Upamanya. Aranya and Upamanyu's Katha we have heard. So Gurudev given them order to go. There is so much raining, and the water is coming under the water of river is coming from the fields, so it is destroying our fields. So you go and make a boundary there. So there was so much high pressure of the river's water that broken all the boundaries. Then Abhimanyu himself, what he think that Gurudev has given me order, so I have to follow that.
9-10 बजे
At night 9-10 p.m.
हैं?
when Jambu Rishi
आगे पूछा अभी वो कहाँ गया आरुणि
he asked about where is Aruni,
लालटेन लेकर के गुरुदेव
So
चले।
taking the lalteen he started searching them.
देखो उन्होंने उनके शरीर प्राण जाने वाला था।
So what he saw in the form of boundary, he was lying on that
और फिर
field.
ठीक सर से बोलने लगे गुरुदेव
So when his Gurudev was calling, where are you Aruni, where are you? So Aruni said, Gurudev, I am here. And he said,
आपने कहा
so Gurudev asked that, why are you staying, why are you lying here like this? So he said, I am saving the, I am stopping the river's water here because you told me that river's water shouldn't be come inside the field. That's why I am stopping here in this way.
गुरुदेव ने
So when he Gurudev saw this kinds of tendency of service, so he was so much pleased with Aruni.
और उस समय
And at that
गुरुदेव ने
time,
उसकी सारी शक्ति संचार
so Gurudev manifested all his power in his heart.
गुरुदेव कृपा करो
We used to say, Gurudev, mercy upon me, mercy upon me. When Gurudev, mercy upon you?
जब शिष्य
When the disciple,
गुरुदेव के चरण में संपूर्ण रूप से
they completely surrender themselves into the
और
feet of
उस सेवा
Gurudev.
के लिए
And for the service of Gurudev, they
न्यौछावर कर देते हैं।
sacrifices. For the service of Gurudev, they surrender and sacrifices everything. Then they will get the Gurudev mercy. So there is no need to say, Gurudev, please give me your mercy. No. Kripa means kripa. Karma first you have to do, and then will mercy spontaneously will happen. So according to your capability or qualities, you have to serve your Gurudev.
मेरे गुरुदेव श्री राम
My Gurudev Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he used to say,
तुमने तुम्हारे पास जो योग्यता है
whatever the quality you have,
उसी योग्यता के
so according to that quality, you have to serve your Gurudev.
और कुछ करना है।
Nothing else you have to do.
ठीक उसी प्रकार
In the same way, my dear God brother Tirth Maharaj,
मूर्त
he is the manifestation of seva, service.
समस्त सेवा में वो
He was so much expert in serving all kinds of things, which is called,
सिलाई और
which is one proverb in Bengal, Jutta Silai and Chandipat.
बंगला समझने वाले
So the person who are able to understand the Bangla, so they can understand this. Means the person who is all experts in all kinds of qualities, all kinds of sevas.
कौन से काम में उनकी कमी थी
So whatever the works or service you have given to him, they will fulfill that. As our Ramananda told that he was not lazy, he was always working.
जब लिखन है वक्तृता देना है इतने बार धड़ाधड़ बोलते हैं।
So whenever you give him mic, so he start fluently Harikatha.
और
So he used to speak so nicely, so nice Harikatha. So he used to write the granths.
बस लिख
So whenever he was writing, he observed his mind into the writing always. So for at late night, 1 a.m., 2 a.m., he was writing continue. Actually, most of the Gurudev's Hindi Granth is commentary by Shipad Tirth Maharaj. So it is his contribution. Since 2010, when Gurudev he was performing Aswast Leela,
गुरुदेव ने उनकी किताब की देखो हम जैसे अपने गुरु के लिए समर्पित किया तो ये ऐसे करना है।
so he told to Tirth Maharaj that as we have surrendered our life into the feet of our Gurudev, in the same way you have to do this. So we have seen all these qualities in the Tirth Maharaj. He never did anything for himself. He always surrendered his life for the service of Gurudev. He did everything for the Gurudev. And especially when he was speaking Harikatha, he observed in Harikatha so much. What to say about that? The tears comes out from his eyes when he was speaking Harikatha. Maybe the people who have seen, so many times Bhagavad took a place here. Not only one time, many times Bhagavad took a place here. In Vrindavan, Rup Sanatan, in the Govardhan.
कितने जगह में
and
उनके
there were many places Bhagavatam took places by him.
सरस
He was so much expert in speaking Bhagavad Gita, what to speak about, say, but to speak about him. So Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Srila Trivikram Goswami Maharaj has given him title that Bhagavad Bhushan. So it is an ornament for him, Bhagavad Bhushan. Actually, he was so much expert in speaking Bhagavad Gita, and especially Bharmar Geet, Gopi Geet.
जहाँ पर इसमें इतने
So
भाव हो जाते
whenever he used to speak about this, so he observed so much in his
हैं।
speaking.
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा के
Sometime I have seen in the Brijmal Parikrama
क्या बोले? इसमें हम लोग चले जाते हैं
when we used to go Kokilavan,
विशाखा कुंड
Vishaka Kund with Vishaka Kund and Uddhav Kyari.
इतने सुंदर
Aha, so beautiful Harikatha he used to speak. He always observed that he was unable to speak. Actually,
उसकी हृदय में जो भाव
so whatever the feelings he had in his heart,
प्रकट ला के समझना बहुत
so it was not able to understand in the Prakat Leela. That's why Bhaktivinoda Thakur he has written in the Jaiv Dharma. The person who are reading the Jaiv Dharma, they can understand. The person who are staying in this world,
वास्तव रूप में
so actually we cannot understand the glory of him. We can understand the swarup of that person.
उनकी क्रिया हम समझ नहीं पाते क्योंकि पहले वैष्णवे क्रिया मुद्रा
That's why it is said Vaishnaver Kriya Mudra Vijnana Bujai.
वैष्णव की जो क्रिया मुद्रा
So
है,
whatever the activity of the Vaishnav, many big scholar cannot understand what to speak about us.
इसलिए वैष्णवे क्रिया मुद्रा विज्ञान
Vaishnaver Kriya Mudra Vijnana Vidai. We cannot understand the activity of Vaishnav. So when this disappear from this world, then when we will come to know the Brajmandal Parikrama, Navdeep Dham Parikrama. So he had worked so hard.
इनकी एक विशेष
So this is his speciality.
बता देते हैं
Somebody was
तीन चीज जो है
telling
गुरुदेव
today
वहाँ समर्पित करते
three things Gurudev instructed him. One is preaching,
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा नवद्वीप परिक्रमा
one Brajmandal Parikrama and Navdeep Parikrama.
उन्होंने स्वयं बोले
He said himself,
गुरुदेव
Gurudev,
रहते हुए भी
when Gurudev was physically present in this world,
ये परिक्रमा को जो है
so he took the responsibility to carry on the Parikrama. Gurudev had so much trust on him, so much faith on him.
अनेकों तो
In the middle,
तूफान तो आ गया
there were so many obstacles come.
संसार के नियम है
This is the rules of this
आप
world.
जब जगत में रह रहे हैं,
When we are staying in this material world,
तूफान तो आएगा
so many kinds of storms will come.
के बाद जब गुरुदेव
So after 2010, when Gurudev disappeared, nobody knows that what kind of storms and the obstacles comes. But he continued.
ये तीन जो वस्तु विशेष करके जा
So,
नवद्वीप परिक्रमा
There were three things: Navdeep Parikrama, preaching,
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा
Navdeep Parikrama, Brajmandal Parikrama,
प्रचार
preaching, and
पीछे हटे नहीं
and publications. So there were 3P was telling about him:
जब देवानंद
Parikrama, publications, and preaching. So when we divided from the Devanand Gaudiya Math, so when he started preaching,
वो लोग ना जाने कितने भाव रूप में प्रयास की
so they tried so much efforts to stop
ये इनके प्रचार को बंद करने
that they stopped our prachar, but
तो महाराज जी हैं।
they couldn't stop Maharaj.
ये देखो उस मर्द से कैसे कैसे उनके ऊपर उत्साह रचना किया
So
है।
they have given so many bad writing on him. They have written so many bad on him
ये नदी क्या बोले चावल भिक्षा न दे
that people didn't give him begging rice, didn't give him the rice in begging.
हमने देखा
So I have seen in Navdeep, he showed me so many things that look Maharaj, that they have written these things and that things, but still he couldn't stop,
और उनके साथ सब लोग के साथ मिलते भी थे
and he used to meet people personally.
सबके सम्मान भी करते
He used to respect everybody.
हैं। वही देवानंद गौड़ी मठ में
In the Devanand Gaudiya Math,
हैं। और विशेष करके
and especially at the time of Sankalp,
जाते आज तक भी जाते
he used to go
हैं।
Even today we go,
समस्त जो है वैष्णव से मिलते हैं।
and they used to meet with all the Vaishnava personally.
उनकी ये विशेषता
This is the speciality of his character.
है। तो मैंने आज कहा ना, देखो,
That's why I told.
बंगाल की जो प्रचार जो है
So the preaching in Bengal,
उन्होंने ऐसे अभूतपूर्व में किया।
so he has done that incredibly that no one can done in the
ये बात
future and
बंगाल में
past.
कैसे प्रचार है?
That how he has done the preaching in Bengal. So that's why the Bengali people used to come in a so much huge number. In the Brajmandal Parikrama, they used to take part in a so much huge number.
और देखो ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा शुरू होने के कम से कम
So
15 दिन पहले,
So before and the Bengali devotees, they used to come in the Brajmandal Parikrama before starting before 15 days ago. Maybe you have seen it is full of that peoples, Bengali peoples,
खिलाना पिलाना,
and feeding everybody, taking care of their accommodations. So he used to take care.
30 दिन परिक्रमा।
Parikrama is on the Parikrama it is written that 30 days, but all the Bengali they used to come before 15 days.
और जाते जाते फिर भी 15 दिन।
So they used to come before 15 days early, and they used to go
और देखो,
after 15 days of Parikrama Gaon.
और देखो जैसे लड़की के शादी के बाद विदा दिया जाता है ना,
Just like when after the marriage of the girl, the parents used to give so much donation to
और इसमें जो है
their daughter. So in the same way, I have seen that Tirth Maharaj they used to give so many things to the person who used to take in the part of Parikrama.
देवानंद गौड़े मठ में
So I have never seen in the Devanand Gaudiya Math. So people did Parikrama so many years.
सभी यात्री चले
So when the Parikrama ended up, so all the visitors or the passenger they went away.
चले जाते
But I have never seen
जाने के समय जैसे
in Devanand Gaudiya Math that somebody is giving sweets and something to those people. But here I have seen in Brajmandal Parikrama or even Navadvip Parikrama or Brajmandal
देखो
Parikrama,
सभी के सबके लिए सब मिठाई बना
they used to make sweets,
इतने बड़ी बड़ी
and they have given so many packets of the sweets to the sannyasis. Oh one Maharaj, how many bodies you need, how many bags you need of the sweets packets, how many devotees you have. So I said that give me your 10-15 packets.
बोले नहीं एक बड़ी कम से कम ले जाओ।
So he used to give me one bag of sweets. There are many packets in one bag, so it was maybe 100 around. So he has given all the baggage to all the sannyas. So the people who will come to meet you, so you have to give them sweets. So I have never seen this kinds of broad hearted in anybody's heart. Never in Devanand Gaudiya Math. Maybe you have seen. So he used to give 2 bags to me in my room. So the people who used to come to me, so I have given him 2-3 packets that tick. So there was something sweets and some namkeen was there. Even in the Brajmandal Parikrama, so they used to give this kinds of thing to everybody, many kinds of cloths and many things. He used to distribute. Our Sridhar Maharaj ji and many Maharaj, they used to do. They used to give so many things. So I was not involved in management any time. So I have a different kinds of nature. I never involve myself in management. What's my nature is? Bas give me mic, I always speak Harikatha. So that's why he scolded me so many times. So I am fond of speaking Harikatha. Give me mic and I will speak Harikatha. So you give me feeding, you give me food or something, doesn't matter. Some people are coming or going. I don't care about that. This is my nature. I am fond of speaking Harikatha. So that's why he sometimes scolded me. So now who will scold me? Actually I was thinking the same, that who will scold me like that. Sometimes when I was speaking Harikatha, so time is over, the people will not take prasad. Why are you speaking so much?
नशा होता है, मुझे माइक दे
So
देना।
it is my nature that
मैं
whenever you give me mic,
थोड़ा रहता है, सोच रहा है जो आपके तरफ मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैं कहाँ देख रहा हूँ मुझे भी पता नहीं।
so whenever I am speaking Harikatha, you can see that I am looking to you, but actually I observe in Harikatha, I am not seeing anybody. So Tirth Maharaj used to scold me so many times that you should take care about the time. So he was so much broad-hearted. Give everybody everything. He had this kinds of mentality. He never discriminate amongst anyone. I have seen this quality in Brajmandal Parikrama also. Not only this,
अन्नकूट के जो प्रसाद जो है,
so not only this, Annakut Prasad,
वो प्रसाद सबको देते।
he used to distribute it to everybody.
यहाँ के लिए यहाँ पर मथुरा के लोग जहाँ पर शुरू जमदार थे सबको प्रसाद देते।
Even in Mathura and everywhere, he used to give prasad to everybody, and he used to ask to everybody, did you get the prasad or not? And especially when the ending up,
देखो, बोले नहीं, खाना पीना बंद हो जाए, आज से बंद हो जाए। ये तो मान लेते नहीं, बंद नहीं होगा। जब तक ये लोग भाई किसी का टिकट एक दिन में थोड़ी मिलती है।
yes, this is the quality. One thing should be noted here. When the Parikrama ended up, and most of the people's passenger is going on the same day when Parikrama end up, but many people are staying there. So the Bhandari, the cook, they used to come to Maharaj and said, "Oh Maharaj, we have to stop the cooking here today or not?" So Maharaj said, "No, don't stop cooking. The people who are staying here because somebody has a ticket for day after tomorrow and tomorrow. So you have to take care of all the body who are staying here." So this kind of nature he has.
ये जब बंगाली लोग सबको जो है वो प्रसाद जी को अपना
And he used to give the packets of the prasad to the Bengali devotees, just like the after marriage people used to give the see off to their daughter. In the same way, Tirth Maharaj used to do with the same Bengali devotees, and they never bother about that who has given the money to how much, 1,000, 2,000. He never bother about it. That
उदार
he was so much broad-hearted
सब ले।
to give everyone.
ऐसे उनकी उदारता इसलिए तो बंगाली लोग
So this kinds of broad-heartedness he used to have. That's why Bengali devotees used to come. So how much we are giving the respect to the persons. So this is the quality he has. Now I am remembering one thing. There is one Bharti Maharaj. So when he was doing parikrama with us, he was coming with us. So he was saying himself, Maharaj. So why there are so much Bengali devotees following Tirth Maharaj? Because he has a Laukik Sambandhivan Preeti with the Bengali devotees. He used to treat them like a family member. Actually, we have seen this quality in him. So feeding the people, taking care of them. Until the devotee is not taking prasad, he is serving himself. He is asking the people, have you taken prasad or not? So he was taking care of all of these things. Until all the passenger didn't take prasad, he never took prasad. I have seen myself. At least last we have seen, until all the devotees taken prasad, he never took prasad before them. Even Brijmandal Parikrama, we used to go the Khichdi Prasad. He used to distribute it everybody and used to take care that everybody has taken. He used to say one word, hello, 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 hello. So this is the nature, this kinds of nature he has. He was so much broad-hearted. So people attract towards somebody that how they are treating them, how they have the Laukik Sambandhivat Preeti with them. He never seen that he is my disciple, he is your disciple. He never discriminate with anyone. He is foreigner or he is Indian. He never discriminate like this. He used to love to everyone.
ये सब गुनाह मुझे आज सब बात वास्तव में स्मरण हो रहा है।
So I am remembering all these kinds of his quality today.
कितनी उनकी उदाहरण से
He had so much broad-heartedness. Whatever, how much we can speak about him, it is less. So in the morning I told you what is the meaning of vira. What is?
विरह की वो रोना धोना की बात
So vira doesn't mean that we are crying for him. We raha.
नहीं माने
Spatial. We means spatial and raha means milan. So meeting, spatially meeting.
ये उनकी आदर्श चरित्र क्या है?
So what is ideal nature of his?
कितनी उनकी ये चरित्र मठ मंदिर सेवन
So serving in the mutt and
ये सेवा
mandir.
कैसे करते थे?
So how he used to serve?
क्या भी जहाँ पर भी जितने हमें क्या दुर्वासा मंदिर कहें
We used to what to speak about Durvasa temple, Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math, Govardhan Gaudiya Math, Keshavji Gaudiya Math. So whatever we speak about, he used to serve everywhere. I have seen practically. So in the Rup Sanatan Gaudiya Math, when it was being building up, so he used to go early in the morning for taking care of that. So after Mangala Arati, he used to go to Vrindavan. So the person who was working there, the labor, so he used to take care of them. Maybe he has taken breakfast or not, I didn't think about. In the sunshine, he was standing there and taking care of all the buildings. Because if you won't take care of the labor, the workers, so they will smoke bidi, so they will spend their time here and there. So because they have to work only for 8 hours, but Tirth Maharaj was looking after for everything. So this is kinds of tendency of service he used to have. So the person we are describing the meaning of acharya. Acharya means first implementing on himself. Once he was baking puri here, maybe before few years back. So we haven't taken sannyas that time. After 2000 we have taken sannyas. So our Tirth Maharaj and that room he was baking puri where Noni is living. In that room. So sometime he used to live there and he is in this room and that room. So I have seen. So what happens? Somehow that hot oil burnt his skin. Maybe you have seen or not, for you have seen in his right hand it is burned just because of oil. I have seen that practically. So there is a sign of burning in his hand because there was a hot oil came on his hand. So what happened that time? So somebody massage with that some Navratan tel. Somebody massage with some oil or something. He put it and started again the baking the puris. So because this kinds of tendency of service he used to have. So Vira means V means spatial and Raha means meeting, spatially meeting. So he had idle nature, how he served. And that's why he went everywhere for preached, and Chinese is following him so much. There was in the Navadvip. So in Navadvip there are Chinese devotee. They were standing. They were sitting in the Bhagavatam. So he spoke in Hari Katha to Chinese people. So what? He never bothered that they are understanding or that somebody is translating and they were taking care. So
समझिए मैं तो किसी लीला दे
So the person who is sitting before us and he is listening Hari Katha, if they are nodding their heads, so we get, oh he is understanding, but he never bothered about that. So there were many, there are 300 and 400 Chinese were there in the Navdeep when he was giving Hari Katha.
और सब लोग चले गए
All the Bengalis and the North Indian, they went away, but only Chinese was sitting there. Chinese were sitting there, so he was speaking Harikatha to them. They were understanding or not, I don't know, but so I am remembering every moment of his.
हम लोग की कभी कभी होता है गुरु भाई बनेंगे नाम भी कुछ
So being a god brother,
जैसे संसार की दिशा
being a god brother, we have some disputes, but
उनकी उदारता
his broad heartedness,
उनकी आचार
his
व्यवहार
nature, his behavior, even
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा में
in the Brajmandal Parikrama,
कुछ भी हो जाए बीमार हो जाए
if somebody died or somebody is sick,
उनके बाद दवाई
so
देने
he
का-
used to go and give the medicine to him.
आप लोग देखे होंगे
Maybe you have seen,
दवाई भी जो है
he used to give medicine to everybody, all the person who is sick.
तो ये भारती माता जी
At the time Bharti Maharaj was not there, the doctor.
और केवल उसमें लिख लेते थे मेरे बच्चों ये है, ये जो है टैबलेट जो है
This tablets for fever, this tablets for loose motion. So he used to give that, oh you are fever, you are suffering from fever. He used to give that kinds of tablets. And what happened? That people will be almost well. So his broad heartedness, his tendency of service, we are remembering. So I told that until the Mahapurush is staying, so we cannot understand the glories of his.
व्यवहार भी देख करके हम लोग ये सोचते हैं ये कैसे हो
So
सकता है?
seeing some lockic behavior of the people, so we used to think that how it is possible. But actually when somebody disappears from this world,
महाप्रभु
then we understand the value of that person.
महाप्रभु
So when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was in this world, how many people understand that he was Bhagwan? In the Navdeep, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he did so many kinds of leelas. When he used to go for taking bath in the Ganga, so many kinds of Brahman.
गंगा में स्नान करते थे चैतन्य महाप्रभु क्या करते थे स्कूल से लौटने के बाद
So after returning from the school, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was taking the water in the mouth and he used to spit on all the Brahmans. So who can think that he is Bhagwan? The little girls for 8 years and 10 years old,
देखो देवी के पूजा आदि करते थे।
so they were serving the Devis.
और महाप्रभु क्या करते थे?
And what Mahaprabhu used to say,
कार्तिक
he used to
महाप्रभु
sit
क्या
and say,
करते थे? अरे गंगा दासी हिंदू लोग बोले
Ganga Muradasi,
मेरा पूजा करो
why are you worshipping this Ganga? You worship me. She is my dasi, she is my slave.
और भी जो मुझे पूजा नहीं दो तो तुम्हारे क्या मिलेगा?
So if you will not worship me, so you will get a old husband. If you will not serve me, if you not worship me. So some people, some girls, they started moving and some were hearing him, oh, how he is saying. So Mahaprabhu was performing this kinds of leela, so what to speak about the devotees. So this is all his transcendental character. Vaishnavir Kriya Mudra Vigyena Bhujai. When Guru or Vaishnava mercy upon us and manifested in our heart, then we can only understand. That's why knowingly or unknowingly, if I have committed any offenses, so for today I praying to in his feet, he will forgive me, and he forgive my all kinds of offenses. So saying this, I am stopping my Vani. Vancha Kalturvashya Kripa. Actually, we have lost this kinds of great personality, but still I am thinking that Tirth Maharaj has gone away. People has given him samadhi, so it is looking like a dream only. he will come back soon.
क्योंकि देखो कोई व्यक्ति अनेकों दिन तक
Because some person for many times is suffering,
फिर देखो
but at that day,
प्रातःकाल में मैं
early in the morning, Sri Krishna Prabhu told, Prabhuji,
खराब हो गया
he's not
और
well,
फिर उसके डॉक्टर को दिखाया
and he was treated by a doctor. I called to Govind Maharaj.
ऐसी चीज हुई आज
Yes, it happened 3 a.m. So he went to hospitals,
और फिर देखो
and then what happened at the day of Dwadashi?
हम तो यहाँ पर माधव मंदिर से बात ही किया
I talked to Madhav Maharaj,
और फिर आधे घंटे बाद
and after half an hour,
वो क्या बोले वो लड़का जो है जो हंसता रहता है भाई वो हमें फोन किया बोले
so he appeared.
वो विश्वास नहीं
So it is unbelievable
ये वास्तव रूप में
that actually
गुरु वैष्णव की जो
we have lost this kinds of person.
प्रार्थना
We are praying in the feet of Tirth Maharaj. He is my Shiksha Guru. So I used to learn Ujjwal Neelmani